Now we discuss this problem. Find the equation of a circle of radius 5 units whose center lie on the x-axis and which passes through the point 2, 3. So given that a circle whose center lie on x-axis, because center lie on x-axis, y coordinates is 0. It means center of this circle will be k0. Given that radius is 5 unit here, and circle passes through the point 2, 3. So first we find the value of k. So Cp is radius also, and radius is given here 5. So Cp will be equal to under root k minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. It means, and given that r is 5 here, this is equal to 5. So k square plus 4 minus 4k plus 9 under root will be equal to 5, or we find k square minus 4k plus 13 is equal to 25, or k square minus 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. If you solve this equation, then we find k square minus 6k plus 2k minus 12 is equal to 0, or will be equal to k plus 2 into k minus 6 is equal to 0. So value of k is equal to minus 2 and 6 here. So there are two centers of this circle. First 6, 0, and second center is minus 2, 0. So equation of circle will be 2. First, if center is 6, 0 and radius is 5. So equation of circle will be x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 25, or x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square is equal to 25. So x square plus y square minus 12x plus 36 minus 25 is equal to 0, or we find x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 is equal to 0. This is the equation of first circle. But second case, if center is minus 2, 0 and radius is 5, then equation of circle will be x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 25, or x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square is equal to 25, or x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So there are two equations of circle. First, x square plus y square minus 12x plus 11 is equal to 0, and second is x square plus y square plus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. So there are two equations of circle. Now we solve next problem. Find the equation of circle, the endpoints of one of the whose diameter are a 2 minus 3 and b minus 3, 5. So given that a circle endpoints of its diameter is a and b, given that a is 2 minus 3 and b is minus 3, 5. We know that equation of a circle whose extreme point of diameter is x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2 here. So equation of circle will be x minus 2 into x minus minus 3 plus y minus minus 3 and y minus 5 is equal to 0, or will be equal to x minus 2 into x plus 3 plus y plus 3 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. So x square plus x minus 6 plus y square minus 2y minus 15 is equal to 0, or will be equal to x square plus y square plus x minus 2y minus 21 is equal to 0 is required equation of circle whose extreme point of diameter is A 2 minus 3 and B minus 3, 5. Now we discuss next problem. Find the equation of the circle drawn of the diagonal of the rectangle as its diameter whose sides are x is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is. Given that x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 6 is a line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to minus 3 y-axis. Y is equal to 3 is a line parallel to x-axis. And y is equal to minus 1 is also a line parallel to x-axis. This point is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So coordinates of point A will be 6, 3. Coordinates of point B will be minus 3, 3. Coordinates of point C is minus 3, minus 1, and coordinates of point D is 6, minus 1. So AC is diagonal here. So taking AC as diagonal, if we take AC as diameter, then equation of circle will be x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Taking AC as diameter. So diameter form of circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0 is diameter form of a circle, where A 6, 3 and C minus 3 minus 1 are extreme point of diameter here. So equation of circle will be x minus 6 into x minus minus 3 plus y minus 3 into y minus minus 1 is equal to 0. So this will be equals to x minus 6 into x plus 3 plus y minus 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 0, or will be equals to x square minus 3x minus 18 plus y square minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 3x minus 2y minus 21 is equal to 0 is required equation of circle taking AC as diameter. Similarly, BD is also diagonal, or we can also find the equation of circle taking BD as diameter.